Students, now we can see FTP simulation. So first we have to know what do you mean by FTP, right? It's a file transfer protocol. So basically it is used to transfer the file between a number of systems, number of processes. So here I'm going to take, for our demonstration purpose, I'm going to take two PC for transferring a file between this two PC. I'm taking two PC for our simulation purpose. Again, I'll take a switch for connecting the device. Again, I'll take one FTP server. Now, I'll take a text. So this FTP server will be acting as a server. Again, this PC0 will be acting as client 1 and PC1 will be acting as client 2. Now, we have to transfer a file from one PC to another through a server. Okay. So now, I'm going to connect all the end devices using copper straight-through cable. Okay. So using a port fast Ethernet 0/1, I connected one PC to the switch. Same like that, we are connecting using a copper straight-through cable. We are connecting all the end devices using the fast Ethernet port. Okay, so we have done with the done by dragging all the end devices into the workspace, right? Now we have to configure the IP address for all the devices, end devices. So first I'm configuring the IP address for the server. Click the server, go to desktop, IP config. So here I'm giving the IP addresses 10.1.1.1. Click the subnet mask and default gateway will be the IP address of the server itself. So again 10.1. What is the IP address of our server? 10.1.1.1, right? So after doing this, I'll close it. I'll save the IP address here for my remembrance purpose, right? Same like that, I'm going to give IP address for this PCS 10.1.1.2 and for this PCS 10.1.1.3, right? Okay. So same like server, I have to configure the remaining PC also. Click the PC, go to desktop, IP config. Here I am giving the IP addresses 10.1.1.2. Click the subnet mask. Default gateway will be the IP address of server. So 10.1.1.1, right? After configuring, close this one. Same like that, we are configuring the another PC also. Go to desktop, go to IP config. Here I am giving 10.1.1.3. Click the subnet mask. The default gateway will be the IP address of server, right? After configuring the PC, close this one. So the first step we have done, right? We have configured the IP address of all the end devices. Next, I have to provide the service for the FTP server. So click the FTP server, click the services, go to FTP. Here defaultly Cisco Packet Tracer has one username and password. So leave it as it is. So here we are going to give a username and password for our demonstration purpose for performing the simulations of FTP. Mainly for transferring the file, we are giving username and password for a security purpose, right? So here I have given a username as Rati and password also I am taking as Radhi. Okay. So after that, be make click on it. We can able to we have to make enable of write access. We have to enable the read access, delete access, and rename access and list access. We have to enable all the access rights. So after enabling it, add this username and password into the services of FTP server. Okay. So after doing this, we have to check whether the FTP service is on or not. Yes, it is on. After doing the entire process, close this one. Right. So what's the first step? First step, we have configured all the end devices. Second step, we have provided the services to FTP server. Now, I'm going to click the PC0. I'm clicking the PC0 and I have to check and I'll click the command prompt and I'll check whether this PC0 is connected to the having an access with server or not. I'm going to check. So I'm pinging a message, ping. What is the address of server? 192 not 10.1.1.1. This is IP address of server, right? So then enter it. Yes, we can able to get a reply from the server. So we can able to analyze like both are connected with each other. This PC0 is connected to the server, right? Now next step, I have to upload a file. So for uploading a file, first we have to click this PC again. Here I am going to click a text editor. Here I am typing a message, all the best. Okay. After typing this message, once I try to close this, it will ask the document has been modified. Do you want to save your changes? Yes, save this one. Enter a new file name. I have to give a new file name. I'm giving a file name as ftp.exe. I'm giving a file name as ftp.exe. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we save the file. Well, now I'll close it. Next again I'll click this PC. I have to upload. I have to upload this file into the server. I'll click the command prompt. For uploading the file, the command is put space. For uploading we are using command put. So put space. What is the IP address of server? 10.1.1.1, right? I click this invalid command. So wait, FTP space. First I have to log in into the server. So FTP space, I have to give the IP address of server. So 10.1.1.1. Enter. Trying to connect to the server. So first we have to connect to the server, then only we can able to log into the server, right? Okay, so first we have to connect to the server by using a command FTP space 10.1.1.1. This is the IP address of server. After connecting to the server, it will ask the username. What is the username we have given already? The name is Radhi. I have given the name Radhi. 331 username. Okay. Need password. Okay. So it is asking the password. Password also I have given as Radhi. Yes or no? So I have to type here. Need password. Okay, 331 username. Okay. Need password. RA. So R. Why it is not typing? 1 second. THL. THL. So need account for login, right? So control tab. Wait. FTP space. Again I will try to log in. 10.1.1.1. So I'm trying to connect it now with the server port. Username is Radhi. I have given username as Radhi. Password also I have given as Radhi only. And logged in. Yes, we have logged in. So actually what happened means previously we can't able to see the password. That's what we are due to because of encryption purpose. For security reason we can't able to see the whatever we are typing, we can't able to see the password. Okay, logged in. Now logged in. Now we have to upload the file. We have to upload the file using a command put space. What is the IP address of server? 10.1.1.1, right? And opening such file or directory. Okay. 10.1.1. So here wait, let's see. FTP is in server side. Okay. Okay. Here I have to log in, right? So I have to upload the file using put 10 dot uploading a file. Yeah, 10.1.1.1. Error in opening. Okay. Yeah, sorry, I have done a mistake here. For uploading we have to use a command put. We have to give the file name. So what's the file name I have given? Which name I have given? The file name I have given is ftp.exe, right? ftp.exe. And yes, writing file. See here, writing a file into the server. Okay, transfer complete 12 bytes. Okay, it's copied now to the server. So now I have to see whether the file is uploaded in the server. So how we can see using command dir, enter. See here, where is my file? My file is in 26th name list, 26th list. My file is the ftp.exe. So my file is already uploaded into the server, right? By seeing this we can confirm by using a command dir. I'll confirm my file is uploaded into the server, right? Now I have to check. So now I uploaded a file from PC0 to server. Now I have to download a file from the server. For that I have to click this PC. I'll click the command prompt. Here I have to type. First I have to log in, right? First I have to log in to the server. So for that FTP space, we have to give the IP address 10.1.1.1, right? Enter. Now we logged in into the server. So it will ask username. Username is Radhi. Password also I have given Radhi, right? So now I logged in. Now I have to download. What's the command we are using to download the file? The command is get space file name. File name. For uploading the command is put space file name. For downloading the command is get space file name. File name I have given as ftp.exe. Yes. See here, reading file from server. That's all. Now Same same process like how we are uploading a file from one process to server and how a file is downloaded from the server to another process, and I think we have seen by using command prompt, right? Now we can see by using a simulation process. I'll take a PDU, I'll keep PDU in one PC and then another PC. From PC 0 to PC 1, it have to transfer a message, right? Now I'll click the simulation. See here, a file will transfer from one PC to switch and it will transfer to server, and from server it will get back into the PC1. Check here. Check here once. Yes. See here, right? So first it is transferring from one PC to another PC. Now it is transferring from server to one process to another process. The file is transferring through the entire devices. Students, hope you understand. I think so. Thank you so much.